bankofamerica.com online banking. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Bank of America online. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, you have to type in Bank of America login. Then you will see online banking login user ID by its official website. Click onto the first link. And here at this page, you have to type in your user ID. Once you do so, if you would like to save your user ID for future, check the box that says Save this user ID. Once done, type in your password at the password box below. In case you're having difficulty signing in, you can click on Forgot your password and get help resetting your account. Once you do all that, click on to log in. And if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Bank of America account. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.